Hey guys, welcome to Garage Avenger. I'm Justin. In this episode, I give free prostate checks. And as usual, things just don't go according to plan. So let's go do this. Let's go make some shit. Righto guys, I'm in the house and I've got an idea for a project and I'm gonna have to steal something from the kitchen. No. 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 Oh, there we go. Yep. That's going to be tip top. Oh, and I've even got two. Just in case I balls up this one. Right, that's what we need. So, no one saw that.
We got him, let's do it.
All right, so you ask, what are we doing with these platters? Well, this is going to be a Captain America shield. Light, actually. That's the idea. I don't know if it's going to work. Here we go, guys. First up, I had to try and work out how to cut this circle out. Oh, it's not working! Oh, don't do it, you prick. Oh, come on. Note to self. Charge batteries. It's the next day. Let's get on with it. To smooth off the edges, I used the sander. To get it nice and round, I used this jig on the spindle sander. Now I've got to work out how to do the star. I don't know if you've seen here, but I'm pretty shite at drawing stars. Now, I had no idea how to draw a pentagonal star. I was too busy at school making stuff in the woodwork shop and looking at girls. So I looked up this YouTube video. I'll put a link in the description. When cutting the star, this didn't work out as planned. Oh, you're kidding me. Come on. I can fix it. I can fix it. It's gonna crack anyway. So I'm thinking maybe I should crack it on purpose. Then I can sand these edges on the sander really nice into the line. And then I'll glue them back into place. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually use some body filler, car body filler, and just fill in all the little cracks so there's no light coming through, and fix up this star too to make sure it's nice and straight and cool. And yeah, this is where we need some gloves, and this is where you guys need to bend over. After sanding and cleaning up the star, it was time to try some epoxy. Well, so I thought.
Perfect, 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 perfect.
Oh no, what's going on here? Oh no, this doesn't look right. What am I gonna do here? Well, I've cocked up here. Shit, man. Look at this. Oh! So what went wrong with the epoxy? It was the wrong type of epoxy. You can't put gluing epoxy in a big clump because it chemically just gets crazy hot and wants to burn down your garage. So when you're casting epoxy, make sure you cast the right type of epoxy. I've been to the shop and gotten the right stuff. It's crazy expensive if you want it, but that's how it is. For sake, I hope it works. Now, I've never used this type of epoxy before, and you know, I probably should have read some instructions, but being the man I am, I'm just gonna wing it. Let's just give it a go. What's the worst could happen? Garage could burn down. Oh. Chickening out, I did watch a YouTube video just to make sure I wasn't gonna completely balls this up again. How magical does that look outside? Bubbles in my epoxy? Check this shit out. Acetone. No more bubbles! We are finished with the epoxy. Now this is hard as f***. It's about as hard as Chuck Norris's chin. And let's just hope it f***ing worked. Let's unwrap it, hey? I'm sorry, Chisel. I'm sorry! With my chisels and I can do what I want with it. Come on, you mother trucker. Out you come. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Deeply satisfying here, people. One out. Yes! Haha! Oh yes! How good does that look, guys? How good is that? Yes, something actually kind of worked. Let's do the sanding. Starting with 80 grit, I took it all the way down to 240.
One eternity later.
Just to see what it was going to look like, I propped it up and put a light behind it. Oh, how good does that look? So good. There we go, guys. All sanded and finished. Now we're ready for paint. But how are we going to paint this? I want this to stay clear like this, and I want this to stay clear like this. So what I've got to do now is mask this very carefully. I've invented a cutting tool, and we're going to see how that goes with this. It could completely balls the shit up. So let's give it a go, guys. I masked it up with this cheap blue masking tape. In hindsight, it's probably best to buy the good masking tape because I had some problems with this later. After all that hard work, I balls the paint job.
Ah! Mother. What the fuck? Ah! I need to go to my quiet place.